YJ, yo, get on the case.
Hi people, this is Shane and I'm gonna do an unboxing today from the cubicle. So let's take these out. What is this? YJ Guanlongs. Okay, let's get to it. Red, green, orange. Look at all of these. Okay, let's open these up. Okay, they're surprisingly not that dirty. I kind of don't like the red and the blue. I might re-sticker it. Let's get the first turn. Can you hear that? It's like you can hear this. There's something inside it, like sand or something. I don't know what it is. Corner cutting here, so it's not that good. Reverse about here. Yep, gonna see if that's the same. Yeah, like right there. So these aren't really good. When you get them, they're really sandy. They feel so like sandy. I don't know. Is there like something inside of them? Let me show you the pieces. They look exactly like a YJ Guanlongs. Look really like a YJ Guanlongs. Let's put that back. So yeah, product by YJ. See you later.